Hi guys, this is one of the Lego how-tos, and it's a type of bait. It's called a silver spike. Cause see, it's got a silver spike. See, it's cool. It's a pretty cool piece. You might not have it, so you can name it whatever you want. But I'm gonna name this. So let's go with a B. We'll put these pieces to the side. Okay. First of all, let's get two of these. See? Two of these. And then, after you get those, you get one of these. You can go with the colour and, just do the exact same colour. And just try to get that right. I don't matter with colour. Okay. So you're going to do whatever you want. Then we get two of these. Okay? After you get those, we are going to put this green piece in the middle. See? And then we'll get four of these. See, they've got no little studs on the side, so we put them in all four corners. See? Like that. And then, after you do that, let's get one of these and we'll put it there. And then we'll get one of these and put it there. So basically, just put a 1x2 plate on the back of all of the blades. Okay? After you do that, you have to put these two like that on top. Yes, you see? After you get those, put one of these on that corner and then these right there. This is where I'm going with the colours. So see? Okay. And then we're going to put this one there. Two of these, same colour. And then, as I told you, the silver spike, why it's called that? Obviously, because there's a silver spike. Then it can't spin, so let's turn it upside down. Get one of these. See, it's kind of sloped into the middle. Ta-da! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Bye!